Hello students, I am Dr. Renu Kohli, Associate Professor in Government Bangalore College, Pali. Welcome to the class of BSc final year. We will study the types of biological clocks today. In my previous lecture, we studied circadian biological clocks. There are 4 types of biological clocks. They are circadian, circannual, circalunar, semilunar. As we discussed earlier, the biological clock lies in the suprachiasmatic nucleus or SCN of human anterior hypothalamus, and it regulates behavior as it changes across the 24 hours a day. Circadian rhythms. When a biological parameter shows a rhythmic alteration at the interval of about 24 hours, then it is called circadian rhythms. Example: blood level of melatonin, body temperature alteration, cortisol secretion, etc. Circadian rhythms are those that occur once a day and relate to sun. The circadian rhythms also control daily activities such as eating. Chronobiologists explain the synchronization of circadian rhythms to sunlight. This external factor helps the body to regulate daily activities such as eating, etc. These near 24-hour endogenous circadian cycles are ubiquitous in nature. They exist in plants, animal, fungi, algae, bacteria, and enable life on earth to anticipate daily changes in light and dark, temperature, food availability, and predation. Now, the other type of cycle is circalunar cycle. When a bioparameter shows a cyclic repetition at the interval of about 1 month, then it is called lunar rhythm. Rhythmic behavior that is entrained to the movement of the moon and tides is called circalunar. The lunar cycle of 29.5 days is known to influence a variety of aspects of behavior, mainly in marine life. For example, the Palolo worm releases its gametes into the sea only during the neap tide of the last quarter of the moon in October and November. Semilunar rhythm. When a bioparameter shows a cyclic repetition at the interval of about 15 days, as high tide occurring a day or two after the new or full moon, and neap tide or low tide which occurs in the middle of second and fourth quarter of the moon, then it is called semilunar rhythm. Example: Aplysia, a mollusk which shows a distinct 15 days periodicity in egg-laying behavior. Circannual rhythm. The circannual rhythm or cycle is a yearly occurring one. Some people and animals periodically gain or lose weight at certain time of the year, and transplant patients respond better to certain drug treatment at certain times of the year than at others. When a bioparameter shows a cyclic repetition at the interval of about 1 year, this is called circannual rhythm. Example: hibernation and migration. Monarch butterfly of northern states of USA and Canada show circannual rhythmicity in their annual migration to and fro from Mexico. Some other cycles include infradian cycle, which lasts more than 24 hours a day, ultradian rhythms, which last less than or shorter than 24 hours a day, tidal, which is mainly found in marine life. Now, what are the types of biological rhythm disorder? A disorder called SAD or SAD, seasonal affective disorder, affects many people during the winter months of the year when the days are shorter. The hormone called melatonin is secreted from the pineal gland, which is located just behind the hypothalamus in the brain. Melatonin affects our mood. Its greater production is during the night and when there is more darkness during 24-hour period. As in the winter, there is a tendency of some people to become depressed An effective treatment is to expose the person to intense bright light. Now, what is jet lag? Jet lag is disturbance to a person's body clock. Flying through 3 or more different time zones upsets 24 hours circadian cycle to which body is biologically accustomed. These rhythms help our bodies when we should asleep and when we should be awake. Jet lag means that your body is out of synchronization with the new time zones of your destination. Similarly, sleep disorder. The body is wired to sleep at night. Disruption in the body's natural rhythmicity can lead to affect sleep, including insomnia. Thank you.